In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make $500 per sale with a ClickBank product, helping a group of starving people during this COVID-19 issue that we're having in our world today. So you're going to want to stick around and see this whole video, and I'm going to get you started on it here right now. Alrighty guys, welcome back to the video. I'm Kevin Lehner with the Freedom Motivator channel here, and this is your first time here to my videos. I want to tell you what we do here. We do videos on anything to do with making money online, or affiliate marketing videos and videos of that type, to try to help bring more financial and time freedom into your lives with each and every video that we come out with. Okay, alrighty, well, first of all, if you've been to my channel before, or you're new here and you haven't yet subscribed, just reach down there below right now and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to click the notification bell so that you get notified when I upload new videos, which I do pretty regularly here on this channel. Okay, alrighty, well, with all that out of the way, let's go ahead and jump into today's video. You're going to get a chance to $500 with a ClickBank product, helping a group of starving people in this particular method here today. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started on this. All right, what we're going to do is come over here to our Brave browser here, and the first thing we want to do is we want to come to ClickBank here. Now, if you don't have ClickBank account, it's easy enough and free, which, by the way, this can be done from anywhere in the world, and it's free to do. So just sign up for your ClickBank account, get your ClickBank ID, and then click on the marketplace up here. And also, by the way, you can find this same product that we're going to be using, as you see right here, and it is the John Crestani Super Affiliate System, John Crestani's auto webinar funnel, and you can make $533.86 at this particular time with this product. And so when you come into the marketplace, after you click on marketplace up here, brings you over, you can just type in Crestani up here in the search engine and click search, and it brings it straight up right there. And also you can find that same product over here on digistore24.com. If you look up here in the address bar, it's digistore24.com. You guys will see me do some videos on this a while back, probably too. Digistore24, it's the sister site to clickbank.com. Only difference is Digistore24, if you can't access the product on ClickBank because you're in a different country, you can certainly use Digistore24.com because it's based in Germany, okay, and available pretty much all over the world. So you see the same product is right here as well. Now, what we want to do is, when we come here, what we want to do is we want to get we don't need to go into the affiliate or the JV page or anything like that here with this product. All we want to do is we want to click on Promote right here. So I'm going to click on Promote. It brings this up. We just want to leave this at the default. Of course, you want to make sure your account nickname is up here too. Don't forget that. If you want to add a tracking ID, you can do that as well. It's optional. But you want to leave it at the default. That is the webinar, because we're going to be marketing his webinar to folks that may be interested in this. Okay, so you can choose these other ones here for different things and so on and so forth. Just leave it at the default, and then you want to click on generate hop links, and then that's, of course, that gives us the good old ugly ClickBank link here, right? And then I think you guys know what we're going to do with it after that, right? So what we're going to do is copy this link. Just click the little button right here, and it says that it's been copied, and then we'll close that out. And we're going to bring that over to, of course, bit.ly.com, and we're going to shorten it up here. And so we scroll up here and just paste that ClickBank link in there just like that. And we'll click on our shorten button right here, and it gives us this nice little bit.ly link right here. So we will test it here just to be sure that it does what we want it to do. Like I tell you guys, most of the time you want to test these bit.ly links out. So we'll open up another tab and we'll paste it right into there and go. And it does. It brings us right over to John Crestani's six-figure online training here, and that's what we want. Alright, so Now that we got our affiliate link, we'll leave that here. Now, so we have our product, we have our affiliate link. How are we going to market this now? What we're going to do is we're going to come over here to this site. There are a group of starving people because of this COVID-19 thing that's going on in our country, because it's affecting everybody's jobs, right? People are losing their jobs. People are getting laid off from their work. And those that can are working from home. And then there are a lot of people too that are also hurting because of this quarantine and all of this stuff going on with the COVID-19. So the site that we're going to come to here is called Backstage. You can see it right here in the address bar up here. It's backstage.com. See that? Backstage.com. What this site is, this is a site where actors, yeah, you heard that right, we're going to be trying to help actors today because of the COVID-19 quarantine. It's even stopped a lot of production companies from producing movies and series and things like that. So actors are out of work right now because of this COVID-19 issues that's going on. Now, so Backstage is a website where people can come, actors can come and post a job, try to get in, do auditions for different jobs, and so on and so forth. And you can scroll down through here and you can see there's certain casting calls and so on and so forth, and they can actually they're trying to get jobs being actors. And getting auditions being actors for certain series and pilots and movies and things like that that are being created. As you can see here, they can join Backstage today and land a perfect role, create a profile, apply to jobs, explore thousands of casting notices every day, and find the perfect roles to advance your career. And then it says right here, number 3, you want to land auditions, apply, audition, land the part, and make your mark in the acting industry, right? And as you can see, there's new roles posted this week are 1,298, and there's also about 1,873,828 actors that have applied to this site, and 231,506 of them creators looking for talent, and 60 years of insider knowledge, and so on and so forth. And you can see here some of the people that cast with us, some of the companies: HBO, Netflix, Amazon Studios, Disney, YouTube, and the list goes on and on and on. So they're looking for work here on this site. Now, what we're looking for here is, we don't want to join this site. We're going to find people that are looking for help because of the COVID-19. So what you want to do is, you can come up here and you can join here, but you don't want to join this site because you're not going to, you're not trying, unless you want to be an actor, right? If you want to be an actor, then this is going to be a good thing for you. Now, on the other hand, if you're like us and we're just trying to help actors make a little extra money on the side because of the issues that are going on, we want to click on Community right here. You see it right up here. Just click on Community, and it brings us over here, and you can see the community here. And you will have to register for this. What you want to do is click on Register, and it brings up this form right here. You'll have to create a handle, a community handle, and it says right here, it says a handle is a pseudonym you will go by on these forums. You can use your real name if you like, but most people prefer to stay anonymous, and so they make one up. So you can just make up a handle on here, and then you want to put your first name, your last name, your email address, the particular country that you're from, which you see here. It's all over the world right here. And then you put your zip or postal code in here. Check the box here to agree to the terms of service, and then click OK. Now, when you do that, they will send you a confirmation email, so you want to make sure that you look for that. And here is mine when I signed up right here. You can see that they sent me a confirmation email, and it's right here. Thanks for signing up. Before you can start posting to the community, you need to click here to activate your account. So you want to make sure that you do that. And when you get signed in, so let me go ahead and sign in here. Okay, and that logs me into the community here. And if you look down here, you can scroll down through all of these, and there's several conversations going on in all of these categories that have been posted here. And there's quite a few of them, 4,000 different, 271, 110, 384. There's a lot of conversations going on in this particular forum on this site of actors here. But the one I want you to pay attention to now, right now, is this one right here, support during the COVID-19. So if we click on that, and you can see that there's several different conversations going on here on this site, and so on and so forth. And you can scroll down and see all the different conversations and so on and so forth here. There's quite a few of them. So canceled jobs, like for example, here's canceled jobs, and it brings up this particular, how are we dealing with contracts being canceled, big gigs, small ones, resume game changers, and so on and so forth. And if we go back, some of these other ones here, creative, here's one, creative project ideas for confined actors. So if we click on that, for example, and you can see this person here that started this particular thread says, hey everyone, I'm confined in New York City, jobs are way down, but I'm looking for ideas of creative projects to work on while confined. And that could be that could then be shared via social media, etc., in a way to have fun, collaborate, and stay active. Any ideas? So this right here is a good one that we could use. Now, and you can see all these other replies, as well as actually only one reply to this so far, so that makes it good for us. Now, when you reply to these posts, because that's what you're going to do, you're going to click on reply to this post right here. And when you do that, it brings up a little reply thing right here. Now, when you reply to these, you do not want to put your affiliate link in there. You're going to do an indirect reply to these guys, because you don't, this will be seen, if you just put your bit.ly link in here, it will be seen as spam more than likely, and you're not going to get anywhere with that. All right, so what you want to do is I wrote out a little thing here, is you want to send them something indirect right here. If you'll notice what I wrote right here, I said, hey, I saw you may be looking to add a little extra income to being an actor during this tough time with COVID-19. If you like, I can send you the training. Let me know, thanks. And then that's my handle, Actor Helper. All right, so what you'd want to do is you want to come out with something like that. You know, you want to give them, just offer it to them, that you can help them a way to make extra money during this COVID-19 issues that are going on. So then what you do is simply is we'll just copy that, and we'll, you know, right click and highlight and copy, bring that back over here, and then we'll click right here where it says reply to this post. That opens up this thing right down here. Let me drag myself over here out of the way. And that opens this up right here, and then we just simply copy and paste that in there. So now when you send this, and then to these different people on here, and I'm going to show you another way you can look too and find even more people here probably doing this too. So just stick out with me here for a few more moments in this video here. Don't leave, you'll miss any of this. Now, when you send this or click this reply, and if they reply back to you that they are interested in what you're offering, then you want to send them your bit.ly link. That's the only time you send them the bit.ly link, okay? Only after they have shown interest in what you've offered. So then it's just a matter of clicking reply on that, and you see that it's posted my reply right there. Let me drag myself back over here out of the way here. And you see it's posted my reply. Now, if they reply back, which you'll probably get an email because it's attached to your email account, so you'll get an email notifying you of the reply. And if that's the case, then you want to come back to this site, reply back to them with your bit.ly link to the product or the webinar, John Christine's webinar, and give them an opportunity to see that. So now you can do that over and over and over again in this COVID support during COVID, and find different actors and just reply to some of these people. You can even reply to other people that have replied to this particular thread or any of these threads. Now, here's another thing that I noticed that you can check to even find possibly more actors that you can do this with. If we click on, like for example right here, summer 2020 seasons canceled due to the COVID-19 here. This person listed out a bunch of things right here. It says this list has been sourced from Backstage, Facebook, and theaters' personal websites. Please comment of any new cancellations. If you come over and you see this list, you can do a Google research. Take these names, just copy them, right click, copy, and go to Google and do a search for these sites right here, and you can probably find many other actors that may be looking for a way to supplement their income, and you have the tool to be able to help them, and at the same time you'll be able to help yourself in the process as well, and make about $500 per pop if people show interest in this and want to see that webinar. Alrighty, well guys, that's what I had for you today. If you like this video and you see this power to be able to help other people, reach down there and give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to reach down there and hit the subscribe button and click the bell so you get notified when I upload new videos. Also, if you'd like to see my #1 recommended way to make money online, you want to click down there where it says mentorwithkev.com that you see at the top of your video there, and down at the top of the description, and come over and put your name and email into my landing page and come back to the back of my funnel and see what's available there to get your affiliate marketing business or whatever e-commerce business, if that's what you want to do, up online in about 15 short steps, okay, short days. Alrighty guys, well I'm going to let you go with that. I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting video. You guys take care. See you later. Bye bye now.